the fruits of a very lucrative industry. More than 1 million people rely on palm oil for their livelihoods and income. Many are so-called settlers, rural poor who were given land by the Federal Land Development Authority, or Felda, to farm cash crops beginning in the 1950s. Since then, Felda has provided settlers financial backing and a market for what they grow, in a kind of grand corporate social responsibility operation. But Felda is about to change the way it operates. It's selling shares in other commercial plantations it owns, which cover more than 400,000 hectares of land. The flotation is set to raise $3 billion for the parent company.
There's huge enthusiasm for the Felda share offering. The institutional portion of the sale is said to be more than 30 times oversubscribed. But what concerns the Felda settlers the most is what happens after the commercial plantation business is privatised.
Settlers are not directly affected by the sale because the land they own will not be sold. They'll even get a $5,000 voluntary payout from Felda. But some say they don't trust the government's motives and the sale is an election ploy.
Now, everyone will be happy receiving the money, but no one is asking what happens afterwards.
Felda Global Ventures says it will start looking globally and invest in plantations overseas. That's prompted concern that Felda's original purpose of helping the landless poor will be abandoned.
Now Felda is going global. It's going to look globally, is there going to be sufficient investment in Malaysia going forward?
The wisdom of the public offering at a time of global financial uncertainty has also raised eyebrows. There's concern too about how profitable the company can be when more than half its trees are more than 20 years old.
Just because it is one of the largest IPOs in the world this year, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to give you that sort of returns that you expect it to be.
And while Jalil expects Felda's stocks to be hot on Thursday, he has a familiar warning. What goes up can always come down. Stephanie Scawen, Al Jazeera, Palong, Malaysia.